Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start now. Press a clean towel under the stained area and blot excess pigment lightly. Do not rub, which spreads the mark. Once done, test 70% isopropyl alcohol or liquid dish soap on an inside seem to confirm no color loss. If safe, apply a small amount of solvent to the stain edge, moving toward the center so pigment lifts into the towel. Keep towels ready and work quickly, because speed matters for removing pencil or ink stains. You continue by applying 70% isopropyl alcohol or a 1-to-1 mix of liquid dish soap and water directly to the mark. Let it sit 15 to 30 seconds. Then, with a clean towel, blot repeatedly, edge to center, to transfer pigment away. Once you see reduced transfer, rinse the area under cold running water to remove loosened graphite or ink residues. Make sure to repeat application and blotting until no more pigment moves. You finish by laundering the garment per its care label using the warmest temperature safe for the fabric. Air dry only because heat sets stains. If the stain persists on white cotton, try a diluted non-chlorine bleach solution for a short soak, then rinse well. If removal still fails, repeat the alcohol or soap cycles before drying. Do not use a dryer until stain is gone. Quick troubleshooting. If color runs during treatment, stop and retest a gentler solvent on a hidden area.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.